In this video, we'll write a program for finding the area of a triangle. Already we have seen the formula in the previous video. Now we will write a complete program. So already in one of the video I have discussed what is the procedure, how to develop a program. So a very basic program will have three parts or three elements. First is input. It will take some input, then process, then output. So these are the three steps that we will follow. So program should have these three things, a basic program. So whatever the input it has to take, it will take the values, then it will process them and give the output. So let us see for what we have to write on a program. We have to write a program for finding the area. So this is the formula. Base into height divided by 2, and that is area. So in this, what is input? Base into height is input. Then what is output? Area is output. So this is output. And these two are input of a program, right? So now program should take two inputs and then give the output. So for this, first of all, I will draw a flow chart. First thing is starting of a flow chart. So this is start. Now next, we should take input. See, imagine I am a program and you are using the program. So you are a user. So I have to find out the area of a triangle. Then what I should know? I should know what is base and height. Then I should ask you, tell me what is base and height. So I should take input from you. So the first thing is input. So first of all, I should ask, please enter base and height. So that can be written using a parallelogram. So input and output box. So here print, I will write a message, enter base and height. Enter base and height. This is the message. So it is just like I am asking you to please give me base and height. Then when you give me, I will take them in variables. So that is B and H. So two values, whatever you give, I will read them. So this is input. Input is over. Now next, process. So what is the process? Formula. What is the formula? Area, I will call it as A, is assigned with base into height by 2. This is the formula. So even I can write them in bracket also. Now process is over. Now next is output. So I have to give you the result. So I should tell you that area is so and so. So next is again output. So for that parallelogram or output box, so here I should say print area is, right? So this is the message I am giving you. So this is area is. So the messages are written in quotes. Then next is A. I have the result in A. So that's all. This is the output, end of the flow chart. So this is end. Now next thing I will write down a algorithm for this one. So algorithm will contain the same thing, just I will have to group all of them together here and I will write an algorithm. Then after that we will write a program. Algorithm area. Now inside this, let us begin. Now the same steps. First of all, I should give a message to you. I should tell you that enter base and height. Enter base and height. Then I should read the values that you are giving me in B and H. These are variables. Then I should calculate area. A assign B into H by 2. Now then I should print the result. Printf area is, so just it is print, right? So print this one, then end of this algorithm. That's it. See, whatever the contents in flowchart and the algorithm looks similar because this is just formula based program. It's a very simple program. Write some extra things to write a algorithm. Right now it looks same. Now next I have to write down a C++ program for this one. So first thing is hash include. I should include a header file, that is IOStream. Hash include IOStream. Then using namespace, right? Using namespace std I have to write down. Then the next thing is int main function. Now let us convert this algorithm to a program. So inside the algorithm, very first thing is enter base and height. So it is print. So how to write print? We use cout. So already I have used namespaces, so I can directly say cout, enter base and height. Enter base and height. So this will give a message on the screen, right? Enter base and height. This will appear on the screen. Then read B and H. So for reading, CIN is there. So I should write CIN, that is extraction operator, B. Then for another variable, again write the operator. So we cannot write comma, don't get confused here. As many variables you are reading, you should write all of them with extraction operator. Now next important thing, this B and H, what they are? Variables. So in C++ program, you must declare the variable first. So okay, let us go back on the top and declare the variable. Which type of variables we want here? See, this result should be a float. So let us make everything as float. So I will declare them as float, base, height and area. So I have three variables, all of them are of type float. The next step in the algorithm, we have finished with this step and this step. The next is process. So find out the area. So A assign B into H divided by 2, and this I can put it in bracket. Then the next step is print the result, then end. So here I will write down area is, so cout, first of all a message, that is area is, right? There's a message. Then display a variable. So this is a variable. See, the message should be in double quotes, variable should not be in double quotes, right? Then end of the program. So this is the C++ program. So first we have written the flowchart, then converted to algorithm that is having input, process, output. So this is also having input and then process and output. So these lines are input and this is for process and these lines for output. So I'll give the demonstration of this program in the next video, but before that you have a coding exercise. So in that coding exercise, you have to write down a formula for this one. So some code is already written there, so just you have to write down the formula properly for finding the area of a triangle. So read the description in coding exercise and also read the comments properly and complete the coding exercise. Then after that you will find a demonstration video that after watching it you can do it on your own machine. So that's all in this video. We will learn more formulas in the coming videos. We'll write more programs using just formulas and expressions.